Good morning, you guys. What is up? Happy day 14 of Vlogmas. So we are just about to go to Dutch Bros, of course, to get us some coffee this morning. Oh, this horrible angle. And I figured I would go ahead and open up the advent calendar with you guys to start things off so that I can get my socks for the day. And then we'll just kind of go from there as far as getting a bunch of stuff done today. Scissors have been have been grabbed, retrieved. And let's see what these got. I'm really hoping they have tacos on them. I'm not gonna lie. More martini glasses. Oh, these ones are white too. These ones are super cute. Let me unclip them. Okay, now that that is undone, I've got some cute little ankle socks with some martini glasses on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on and go grab some Dutch Bros. Coffee's been achieved. Let's go ahead and get to cleaning up my living room. As you guys can see, it is a disaster. We've just been kind of putting things in the living room lately and not taking care of them. So I'm going to, finally get all of this cleaned up. Feels so good to have a nice, clean living room. This stuff all right over here is going to eventually go into the storage room, but that needs to be redone. So for now, it's just going to live right over there. But I got everything vacuumed. I still need to just wipe off the tables. But yeah, it looks so much better down here. I am gonna go take a little break and hang out with Nathan for a little bit before, I think, going Christmas shopping tonight so that I can just get that all finished up. I'm doing most of my Christmas shopping online this year, as I'm sure most of us are, but there are a few things that I am just better off to get in store, and I want to get that done as soon as possible. So I figured I would take you guys along with me tonight. First stop is the dollar store. I wanted to make a little present for everybody in Nathan's family this year, so I figured I'd stop here to get some of the supplies for that, and then I need to head off to Target to get the rest of the presents there. Well, they don't have Christmas stockings like they've had in previous years, so I'm just going to grab some bags to put everybody's presents in. I decided I like these gift bags a bit better. Well, I would deem that a successful dollar store trip. I just posted you guys up on the dash. I didn't use my mount because Target's just right over here. So here's to hoping you stay. But yeah, successful dollar store trip. I was able to, I guess I can take my mask off now that I'm in the car. I was able to find most everything I needed. I compromised a little bit on the stockings, but other than that, I was able to find all of these supplies. So, very happy about that, quite honestly. I was a little nervous about my Target, or about my dollar store trip. So, let's go head off to Target now. I like Target way too much. I feel lost. The big reason I'm so excited to come to this Target in particular is it's the new Target in West Valley that I haven't been to yet, but I'm lost. I'm trying to find where they're, oh, I'm blurry. No. So I just realized that I think everything I've filmed so far might be slightly blurry. Sorry about that. But anyways, I'm trying to figure out where their like infant toys are, because at the other Target that I went to, I found a mirror that I want to get for my niece for Christmas, because you know she's a whole 2.5 months old by the time Christmas comes around. And I asked my sister what she would want, and that's what she told me. But I don't know where all of their infant toys are here, so this is really awkward. Oh, here's theirs. Looks like they're out of the touch toys I want. Awkward. People keep staring at me. Quit it. Okay, this is actually dope. Look at how massive this thing is. I don't know. We'll find it. Okay, off to go find the infant toys, hopefully. I think I might see where they are. I need to get not distracted by cute baby clothes. Oh, she has plenty. Okay, I found the infant toys. I don't think they have the mirror that I want here. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to go to the other Target to get that. So I just double checked the Target app, forgot how amazing that thing is, and this is on G14, allegedly, right? Oh, here's score. They have the mirror one. Okay, now I need to find heat towels, a couple things for my mom, and see if they've got clear ornaments. We're making good time. Overall, that was a successful shopping night. I only bought, I think, 2 things that weren't on my list. So let's go check out, and I'll update you guys when I get home. Let's do a haul, shall we? So I think I'm gonna skip the stuff I got at the dollar store because you guys saw most of it. Really, all you didn't see was I got just a couple of buckets for the presents and then everything else. But then, oh, there's the bags. At Target, I'm gonna start off by the couple of things that I bought for myself from the dollar spot that weren't on the list, and then we'll go from there. So that way, if any of my family's watching, they can quit watching so they don't ruin their Christmas presents. So anyways, I decided to grab, I'm sorry, my Christmas tree is still, it just keeps cycling through all of its different modes, and I don't know what's wrong with it. I gotta figure it out. So I got this little calendar to go up in my office for next year. And then I also bought these peel and stick vinyl decals. So they're little stockings that say, I don't know if you can see that, but they say joy. And then I got, let's see, I don't think my mother-in-law is watching, so you know, I'll show you guys those next. I was gonna get her a little like Christmas themed like just rubber spatula, but they didn't have any, so I got this for her instead, like I showed you guys. And then I also got her some tea towels to go with the couple of things that I ordered on Amazon. I'll do like a full what I got everybody for Christmas on the, it'll go up on Christmas for you guys, or maybe it'll go up on the 24th. I don't know. But it'll go up right around when everybody's getting their presents, so nothing gets spoiled. And then for my sisters and niece for their baby. So for my niece, I got the mirror that I showed you guys, which I was very excited to find. And then for my sisters, I decided to do a little at-home game night since they just had a baby. So I'm gonna do like a little dinner for them. I'm gonna put a little coupon for babysitting, and then I also decided to get them a couple of card games. I don't know if they have these card games. I know they don't have many, but I figure if they do have them, I'll just exchange them and get them something else. And then for my mother, so quit watching. My camera died. So anyways, the last couple of things I bought for my mom, so mom, quit watching if you are, is the chocolate orange that she used to buy herself every year as a stocking stuffer, and since my parents have gotten divorced, I've continued to make sure she gets one. They only had dark chocolate though, and I can never remember if she prefers the milk chocolate or dark chocolate, but they only had dark, so that's what I bought her. And then I bought her an iron. She mentioned a little while ago how she has been needing one since hers quit working, so figure I'd grab one for her. And then I found these cute little planner stickers. Oh, focus in the dollar spot. So I really like the flower design, and I know she will too, so I'm super excited to give those to her. I honestly might end up buying some of those for myself to go in my planner, but that's where I'm going to end tonight's video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed having a bit of a productive day with me as far as going and getting my Christmas shopping mostly done, and then getting some stuff done around the house as far as getting my living room cleaned up. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and don't want to miss a single episode of Vlogmas. Oh, and actually I'll talk about that in tomorrow's video, so that, yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye guys.